So I'm back with my Ancestry.com kit, and I've got the tube right here. And so what I'm going to do first, tells you what you got to do first, is go to the app or go online. So I open the app, and come on, down at the bottom you press DNA, and then at the top you press Activate a Kit. And then I continue as myself, and then it asks who's activating it. So am I activating it for myself, or is my child activating it for me? So like if you're getting it for your grandparents or somebody else, then it's just so that you know who, so they know who the kit is for. So this is for me, and I press next. Now it's going to ask me to put the 15-digit code, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so I just put the activation code in. Now it's asking me a little bit about myself, wants to know like my birth year, so if I'm male or female, and notifications. Yes, I would like to know updates about my kit, so I put my phone number in. Next. And then it's just asking for consent. Just, yeah, letting me know the participation is voluntary. I'm free to withdraw my consent at any time, so I just press red and give my consent, and give my consent. So it says, when we process your DNA sample, we compare your results to other ancestry members to see if you have DNA in common. Your matches can discover how you're related, view each other's profiles, and each other's messages. And it asks, would you like to see DNA matches and be listed as a match? So I press yes, because I'd like to find more people. And then it says, set display preference. So this display preference determines what is shown to others who have DNA in common with you. So show my complete ethnicity, geographic culture origins, or show only what we have in common. So I'm up for just going all out, just showing everything. So when I'm done, I just press Activate Kit at the bottom of the screen, and it's a success. And then it reminds me, oh, I already got a text from Ancestry.com. It reminds me not to forget to mail my kit. So cool. So now that it's activated, let's get down to it. So kit, not showing you the back this time. Pop this guy open. There we go. So I'm going to pop this guy open, and inside here we've got the tube. We've got the tube, and we've got the activator fluid. Here's the tube. I got to fill it up to that black line, and then here's the activating fluid. So let's do it. But it also says not to overfill it, so okay, I think what do you think? Cool. So then it says to twist off the funnel. So I'm going to twist that off and just set that in the sink, and then put the activator cap on there. You just twist that on until the seal inside breaks. There we go. And now shake it for 5 seconds, I said. So probably not supposed to open it. That smells kind of weird. Just gonna wipe that off and hope nothing happens. Okay. Anyways, so the rest of that stuff made it into the tube. I'm just gonna shake it up. Now it says to stick it in the collection bag. Okay, my tube, put that in there. So there's my tube. It's got this little adhesive. Peel the adhesive off. Seal the bag. Prepaid box. Stick this inside of there. Remove the adhesive to expose that. Come on. That's it. Ready to mail off. So, cool. I'll let you guys know when I get the results in.